got the Foamposite 1 PRM. Stranger Things box. Texture and all that with the lightning bolts or veins, blood veins. So nice. It looks old, but it's not. Damn, these shoes are going down in history. These is going down in history right here. Oh man. Let's see. These are crazy. The upside down logo. Free laces. I do believe that this lightning is reflective on the side. Jesus, heck. I'm getting the fuck out of these. I'm sorry. Upside down 1 cent logo. Y'all know I got that old Ashley 20-year-old tattoo. Comes with, Jesus, man, I'm ready to retire from shoes. These are my grails. They ain't been my grail for a long time or nothing. It's just, these are so hot of a shoe. Like, wow. Look at this. Leather upper. Hard plastic. What metal is that? Yeah. Lightning bolts is reflective. God. Jesus crazy, man. Yeah, what's on that?